If you've got a presentation and you would like to design it in Canva, I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart and import your data and customize that pie chart all in Canva. So let's get into it. So we're going to go over to the left-hand side, and as you can see here, you have all of these options. We're going to go and select elements, and elements will offer you a bunch of stuff, anywhere from shapes, graphics, images, photos, videos. And we're going to go all the way down and look for charts. Now, once we're in charts, we're going to click on See All. Here you can find an assortment of different types of charts, but we're looking for a pie chart, and we're going to select one of the two options that they've given you. Now, all we have to do is click on it. And you can see it's now jumped into our canvas, and we can now customize it. Now, once you actually select the pie chart, you can go over to the left hand side and you can see here are all of its options. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your label and your series is correct. So if you're doing things like items perhaps, and here you are putting in sales, you can now go ahead and customize every one of these items. So you can go ahead and change the name of the item. You can also change the actual value of the item. You can also change the color of the item, and you can completely customize that color. The next thing you can do is going down here, and as you can see, it says add data, and you can upload a CSV file if you have data on another platform such as Microsoft Excel or in Google Sheets. You can literally just upload all of your information from there to here, and it'll import all of that information into your pie chart. We can also go over here to settings right at the top. And once you click on settings, you can continue with the customization, such as your labels. You can now enter what you would like as your label. You can also go ahead and enter what you would like as your value. And at the bottom here, you will see you have the format of your values. So you have percentage, which is by default what it's currently in. And then you also have numbers. You can also then go ahead to choose to show your labels and also show a legend, as you can see over here. So you can really customize this completely. You can also animate this if you are doing a presentation, and you can change the text style of everything within this pie chart. Everything here is completely customizable. All you need to do is just click on a specific item and you can go ahead and customize it completely. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like, show your support, and we'll see you next time, people. Happy designing. Peace out.